Next up is the story of a 22-month-old boy. Hridayansh Sharma has a rare genetic disorder called spinal muscular atrophy, a genetic disorder in which a person cannot control the movement of muscles due to the loss of nerve cells in the spinal cord and brainstem. It can be treated with a single dose of a drug called Zolgensma. Back in February, a crowdfunding campaign was launched for him with a strict deadline because the injection can be administered only until a child is 2 years old. Hridayansh's story has triggered a larger conversation. It's the price of this particular drug that has made its way into public discourse. For all practical purposes, this very drug is no regular treatment drug. It is one of the world's most expensive drugs, one which costs early 17.5 crores rupees or over $2 million. Needless to say, it is not an easily accessible drug. Let's first tell you what this drug is. Developed by Swiss pharmaceutical company Novartis, this drug is a gene therapy used for treating SMA, particularly effective in young children. It works by delivering a functional copy of the human SMN gene to replace the defective gene responsible for SMA. Now, this treatment is administered as a one-time infusion to halt the progression of the disease. Why is this drug so expensive, if you're wondering? R&D costs developing gene therapy involves complex and costly research, often spanning over a decade. Limited market. SMA is a rare disease, limiting the number of patients and thus the potential revenue to recoup R&D investments. Production complexity, manufacturing, gene therapy requires sophisticated technology and highly regulated environments. The other is regulatory costs. Gaining regulatory approval involves extensive, expensive clinical trials. Life-saving potential is another factor here. The drug offers substantial benefits, potentially saving lives or substantially improving quality of life, which contributes to its high value. Apart from this drug, there are other treatments available for SMA, which includes Spinraza. It's used to alter the splicing of the SMN2 pre-mRNA to increase production of full-length SMN protein. Another drug approved for oral use, this drug increases the ability of SMN2 gene to produce SMN protein, which is vital for muscle control. Now, these alternatives provide different mechanisms of action and administration methods, offering option for long-term care and management of SMA. However, experts argue that this drug's long-term benefits may offset healthcare costs associated with SMA treatment and care. However, Hridayansh's story is not a lone case. In the past, people have come together to help raise money for those seeking this treatment. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.